Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a pillow cover on TEMU for extremely cheap. Online shopping marketplace that delivers the product to consumer directly from China and provides a 90 days return policy. So let's get started. So here we'll just search for our pillow covers. Okay. So here we can see. So I will just go with these. So here we can see. So it's come with a different color. You can see here we have different color variants. We can choose any one of them. It comes in two sizes, 18 by 18 and 20 by 20. And the product review is a good 4.6. And if you scroll down, we can see the detail also. So it is made up of a contemporary contemporary style, and the bedding face is reversal, and it is made up of polyester or synthetic. Okay, so here we can see the quality material also. It's very good, pet friendly, and you can use it. It is easy to use. Puff the pillow, then fold in the half and put into the cover and zip up. So it's very easy. So to buy, you have to click on add to cart, then click on the buy button, and then follow the instruction to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a pillow cover on TEMU. I suggest uh, I suggest you downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.